Day 3 of the rally attempt just triggered a follow-through day. Best stocks to buy now. Gainster's Drive score list is coming right up.
Your Drive score update for April 23rd, 2026, US Eastern Time.
The market pulse by the numbers. Rally attempt day 3 just delivered a confirmed follow-through day with distribution count at 4 that shifts posture from cautious to opportunistic. Our watch list shows 2 green Drive scores above 80 and 3 yellow scores between 60 and 80. Leadership is rotating into commodities and semiconductors, the moment trend followers have been waiting for.
If you want these Drive score updates every trading day, hit subscribe and ring that bell.
The headlines moving markets today. Seeking Alpha says Lam Research's AI upcycle is real, but calls the current price too expensive. Translation: the fundamentals are fine. The stock just ran too far too fast. A yellow flag for chasers, but a green light for patient base builders. JP Morgan just slapped a $315 target on Lam Research, arguing the chip equipment supercycle is still in early innings. When a bulge bracket bank calls the ceiling a floor, it's worth paying attention to how smart money is positioning.
Lam Research Q3 earnings beat expectations with revenues up year over year. The thesis is no longer hope. It's a printed number beats plus a lifted target plus cautious. Sentiment is the classic wall of worry cocktail bulls love to climb.
4 spotlights, 4 different market stories. Lam Research, ticker LRCX, carries a Drive score of 80 and an RS rating of 96. That's elite strength. It's forming a cup with handle carving from 251.87 down to 194.80 and back up. Handle sits at 253.29. Breakout triggered 273.50. Albemarle, ticker ALB, is the lithium play with a Drive of 70 and RS of 95. The cup runs from 182.80 down to 154.69 and back to 186.96. That's your pivot handle at 170.29. Lithium's been left for dead, which is exactly when smart money quietly rebuilds.
HF Sinclair, ticker DINO, scores 70 on Drive with an RS of 84. Oil refining isn't sexy, but the cup from 54.73 down to 45.71 and back to 58.96 is textbook handle at 52.25. Energy leadership on a follow-through day market. That's a narrative worth respecting.
American Healthcare, REIT, ticker AHR, is the wild card. Drive 60, RS 77, and a 4.7% pop today on the double bottom 2 lows at 45.38 and 46.69. Neckline at 54.67. Healthcare, real estate quietly becoming a leader. That's the plot twist nobody saw coming.
Hit that like button if this breakdown just saved you hours of screen time.
Now the number 1 pick today.
SSR Mining, ticker SSRM, tops the board with a Drive score of 90 and an RS of 93. It's a classic double bottom, first low at 22.45, after an H1 of 28.81, second low at 22.56, neckline trigger at 33.49. Gold is the trade when real rates wobble and the dollar softens. This setup is like a coiled spring under a lid price pressure building, waiting for the release valve.
Drop a comment. Are you buying gold miners right here? Or waiting for confirmation above the neckline?
Honourable mentions worth your watch list.
Beyond the top 5, keep eyes on those yellow Drive names. Quietly tightening the rotation into metals, energy, and select semis tells you where institutional capital is parking, with 2 green and 3 yellow scores. This watch list is lean but high quality, a follow-through day diet of conviction setups.
That's your Drive score rundown for April 23rd. The follow-through day has officially flipped the script, but distribution count 4 means respect the signal, don't bet the farm. Tomorrow, watch whether leadership holds above pivots or fades back into base. Stay disciplined, stay curious. This is Gainster, signing off.